I was led to leave a pretty comfortable job to pursue my master's degree a few years ago. Throughout my master's and post-graduation, I kept applying for jobs, but there was no positive response. Every single application sent out came back with a negative response. This went on for almost 9 months. Later in that year, Pastor Godman encouraged people to sow seeds towards some ministry projects. I didn't have any income, and so I told myself that I couldn't participate. But while ushers were passing the forms around, the Holy Spirit whispered to me to participate. I eventually collected the form, and after consideration, I wrote down a vow of 100,000 naira in faith, which at the time I didn't even know how I would pay. The following week, I got a positive email for the first time in several months, inviting me for a test. I did the test, and 2 interviews later, God gave me the job. This was not just an international job, but my dream job. It all happened within 3 weeks after being unemployed for months. I want to thank God because He is faithful. I was not only able to redeem my vow, but was able to give my first fruit in multiples of the vow.